So this is where I'm at right now. Got the map and flight data loaded. I also have the satellite data loaded. I don't know if there's any satellites currently in the area, but they are here if any of them pass by. So yeah, I have flights loading in. I still have the demos over here, just floating along in Central Park. But yeah, I've got flights. I need to fix the meshes. Right now, each of these planes consists of like a couple hundred meshes, and I need to just simplify them so it stops lagging so terribly, because as soon as I look away it's fine, but when I have a plane in view it gets really bad. But yeah, we have got planes everywhere, so looks like we're good. You can just kind of walk right up to the plane, stick my face in it.